Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can share group chat invite link on Instagram. Okay, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and first of all, let's just open our Instagram direct message. So we can tap on this icon on the top right corner of our screen. Then you're going to select a group chat you would like to share the link. And for example, I'm going to share the link of this group chat. I mean the invite link of this group chat. So we can open the group chat. Then we can tap on the group chat's name right here. Okay, and after these options appear on your screen, you can simply tap on invite link. Alright, and we can share this link to another application by clicking on the share. We can also copy this link. Okay, and now the invite link has been copied and we will be able to share this link to our friends. Alright guys, and that's how we can share group chat invite link on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.